And here is flood 2008. This isn't half as bad as it was 2 years ago. Still, it's interesting to record. Here's my mailboxes over in the distance. Neighbors' houses. Other neighbor. There's the kayak over there behind the trees that my neighbor used this morning. Crazy man. Oh, someone on a bike. I don't know if you can see them. They're way over in the distance. People get crazy when the flood comes out. There's about where it comes up to on my walkway. There's the rest of my walkway. See, so it's not that far up. There's my house. My house sucks. Oh! Here comes my friend and her dog. Come on, Kita, go play in the water. Kita, come here. Yes, my friend's dog.
This is embarrassing.
Yes, she's wearing a diaper. She's in heat. Go play in the water. Come on, go.
Kita.
She was playing in the water before her mom put a diaper on her.
Diaper ain't stopping her.
There she goes. Crazy little blue healer.
Oh my god. I don't think we should get her diaper all wet though.
That's what they're for. They're called little swimmers for a reason. There's people. This camera won't let me zoom when it's filming. It pisses me off. Yeah, this flood's not very entertaining anymore. Should have been out here earlier with my camera when the neighbor was kayaking. Kita! Kita, smile for the camera. Yeah, okay, your butt's on film. Yeah, those people evacuated a long time ago. I haven't seen them all day either. But that's because they're fucked. And here's my friend. This girl trudged through floodwater to come see me.
Yeah!
There's her crappy camera.
Yeah.
There's my house again.
Kita.
Neighbor's house.
Kita, go get a leaf. Tell us how deep it is.
Okay, goodbye.
Go on.